What's up, what's up, what's up, guys? Today we are doing something super special. Today we are at Frank Sons Collectible Show. Yes, let's go. And you know who we got hiding in the cut? Always hiding for some reason. But let's get inside, see everything they have to offer. We're really late, guys, so we're gonna get in here while we can. Let's go. It's crazy. As soon as we walk in, look, if we can get tickets, if me and Nye can get tickets to the Halloween party Funko is throwing, this is a great start. Great start. Okay, great start. Like, obviously, guys, it's gonna be an extreme amount of stuff that I have to go through today. I don't think we're gonna make it through everything. We're definitely gonna have to come back. It may be a part 2 because this may be a long video, but as we're looking around, Nye says she spotted some Funkos, so let's look at our first sighting of Funkos. Oh, I think I see them over there. I think I see them over there. Let's see what they got. Yeah, they're all Pokies. All Pokemons. We're not looking for any Pokemon, so I'm not even gonna, just for the sake of time, guys, we're not even gonna do that. That bag is super fire. Super fire. But just for the sake of time, guys, we're gonna try and move through here as fast as we can, you know, because why not? How we doing, mama? Oh. So this is our official first sighting because they do have some stuff that we're interested in. We're gonna check and see what they have to offer, guys, and I will let you know. So we did see a couple Funkos at that booth, but we're gonna look around. I know I have a lot to look at today, guys, so I didn't want to just start spending money at the first booth we got to. So let's jump back into it. Let's see what else we can find. Let's go. Huh? Oh my. There's a little one right there for 20. Carl Malone. Oh, Captain America 5-pack. I think they're already closed, guys. But this was an awesome boot. This was an awesome boot. Oh my. But like I said, I think they're already closed. So we'll keep moving. A lot of lounge flies. I know people go crazy over the lounge flies. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is not the same booth. It's not the same booth, but they're actually closed, guys. Another booth. Oh, that is a dope Count Chocula over there. For the ad icons, and they have a Frankenberry right next to it. They have a Child's Play 2 Chucky. Scooby-Doo. This Hangover Pop. Always fun to see. If I'm not mistaken, that's Bad Boys? I'm not 100% on that. But let's keep looking, guys. Oh yeah. Really dope. And over everything. The rest of the booth. A lot of really great figures in here. Really crazy. It's really dope. Batman with the Batmobile. Super fire. No worries. Freddy versus Jason. Pulp Fiction. And the donkey from Shrek.
I don't think exciting is the word I choose to describe it. You said you can repair their technology. Can you tell us anything?
$100 line. Ooh, he has a left eye chasing here. I do hate that. Keep moving, guys. That was a great first sight in the top. But we're gonna keep moving. They have a Toys R Us back there. Crazy. Crazy. But let's see what we can do. Little man is happy. Little man is happy. You heard him. He found all his toys here. No games, guys. No games. We have a tan from South Park. Regular Pop's $12 each. That's pretty great. I have a Hellboy up there. That's a comic book Hellboy, though. Not the movie Hellboy. They have a Jet Black. They have a Spike Spiegel. Oh, I might buy you, Spike. Might go ahead and pick him up today because he is a rare find. I have the Faye, right? Oh, no, I have the Julia. So, wait, pick a Rick. Oh, yeah, pick a Rick. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Those will be great pickups for me right now. Oh, let's spin around to the Grail case though. Because why not? Oh, my. Vince Neil and Mick Mars from Motley Crue. Yeah, I know. I seen the chef. I was going to get to him. But let's make our way there now. We have a Dan from Street Fighter. That's an awesome one. You do not see that pop very often. If you want to get Devin that one for $20, you can't beat it. Yeah, you don't see that very often at all. I just want to pan over everything, guys. That way you guys get a good look at what we're seeing. Like I said, we're probably not going to be able to get to everything today. They have a Nacho Libre down there. That's a really dope pop. Yep, they have both the Grinches right here, the book series, and the movie, animated movie Grinch. Yeah, have a whole nother Grail case here. Oh, the Clowny. I could have bought the Clowny, but it had extreme box damage, guys. Extreme box damage. Super Troopers, that's always a great find. Oh my $80 on the Audrey 2 Chase from Little Shop of Horror. Me and I actually just bumped into that pop, and we could have got it for $40.
Are you open right now?
Pretty dope. So guys, we were able to pick up our first pops. Awesome. We got 3 pops for $40. PPG was about $55, so we came out pretty decent. But we have some more signed pops, Apex Legend up top, Julio Cesar Chavez, a couple anime pops from Demon Slayer. Oh, and a Pikachu down there. Attack on Titan. It's really dope. Really dope. Let's keep moving though, guys. Oh my. Oh my, as soon as we bend the corner, there's pops everywhere. It's a wall of pops. So this is gonna be a long one, guys. If we find anything, matter of fact, let's pan through it. Let's pan through it from the end so I can give you guys a solid view. You guys always complain that I don't ever give you a view of this. So let's pan through everything in one time, because why not? No worries.
He pushed me out of nowhere and I hit him back and he would take a few from me. He came back and just threw him. He saw you.
Okay, ya está la mano. Okay, ya.
A lot. And we're not even getting the top, guys. We're just doing like as much panning as we can right now. But it's a lot. It's kind of overwhelming. Oh, they have a power line right there. You don't see the power line too often. Have a Snoop up here. 15,000 piece. It's really dope for 40. I actually should have picked that up instead of these 3 pops, but whatever. Let's keep looking. How you doing? Oh, another Snoop. 140 on that one. That's a 5,000 piece. Really dope. Couple Harley Quinn's box damage though. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. They have a James Bond up there, guys. I know you see the 007. I'm overwhelmed, man. Wyatt Leonard, Gary Payton, Anthony Davis. Oh yeah, Blake Griffin from the Pistons. That's an ugly one. Ew. Couple JJ Watts, Tom Brady's, Le'Veon Bell's, Chris Paul. Oh my, I might grab that today, guys. I might grab that Chris Paul today. I know that's an older pop. They have a Cam Newton down there in the corner. Really fire. Really fire. They have Rocky 45s. Yeah, I've seen the Dominique Wilkins. Mike Tyson. From the Rays, we have a Blake Snell, Austin Meadows, Corey Seager from the Dodgers, Jackie Robinson, Cody Bellinger, Mookie Betts. I could have picked the Mookie Betts up for $5 the other day, guys, and I did not pick him up. Oh, they do have an Antonio Brown down there with the Raiders. Khalil Mack. All right, Justin Herbert. Carson Wentz, you're a bum. But we got a Jamal Adams, Trevor Lawrence, Tua Tagovailoa, Juju Smith-Schuster. I actually have a surprise regarding this pop for you guys. Super great surprise. So we're gonna get into that. They have a Derrick Henry, a Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, and a Devontae Adams. The sports section is looking immaculate right now. Immaculate. Oh, they do have the Umbrella Academies, guys. They got a baby pogo up there. That's really dope. That's really dope. Let's keep going. Let's keep seeing what else we see, guys. I want you guys to see everything, but I don't want to take up too much time doing it. So just go ahead. DJ Khaled down there. More music pops. All the music pops are always great. Post Malone's. I had a chance to get a signed Post Malone and I didn't get it, guys. I couldn't afford it. Let's just be honest. Oh, they have a Vito. We do need that to complete a set, but the only thing I might pick up today, guys, I might pick up a pretty good. Oh, they got a President Barbie. No, I still need Western Barbie. Still need Western Barbie, but they do have a President Barbie, so I might grab that. We'll see. Yeah, guys, this is an awesome booth, but we'll let you know when we pick up. Matter of fact, we didn't even get all the moments. It's like an amazing booth. Amazing booth. Captain America, Thor, all Avengers moments. Really dope. They have a Zim and Girl on the Pig. And Dumb and Dumber. Really awesome. It's a normal day at Frank Sons. Normal day at Frank Sons. Really awesome. Really awesome. Let's keep moving, guys. Appreciate it. Oh, okay. This is an amazing art. Loving the Five Nights at Freddy's right now. See how that does when that comes out. The little zombie minions. Venomized Stitch, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, guess we know how they feel about Disney. Mike Wazowski. This is what we came for, guys. All of these pieces are custom. Every single one of them. Oh, well, you know, let's put it back down because I can't zoom out. But every one of them, they have the Red Hub back there. They have a Leprechaun back there. All super fire. Because you cannot not love this. Why is that so fucking fun? Look at the carnage. Look at the detail on the carnage.
took it out and we put it
my.
on the floor of the store. And I'm like, dude,
Oh my, that's crazy. Yeah, Frank Sons is really awesome, guys. Frank Sons is really, it's giving everything it's supposed to be given right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna lie to you. It really is. It truly is. Oh, and yes, Nye was looking for food, and for some reason they have real food. I thought they was gonna have junk food, but they got real food. So let's get some, folks. So we weren't able to get food, guys, but we are gonna get a canned beverage because why not? Oh my, strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper. Might have to do it. Might have to do it. Baja Blast in the can. I love this place already. I'm coming right back. No worries. So like I said, guys, we didn't have that much time in the collectible show today, but we will be back. They are officially closing. I heard word that at 5 o'clock, everything is on a timer, so it just shuts down. So we're gonna make our way out, and I'll see you guys at home for everything we're able to pick up today. Let's go. What's up, guys? We are back at home from Frank Sons Collectible Show. It was an amazing time. Like I told you guys, we didn't have all the time in the world to be there, but the time we did have, we made the most of it. So let's get into everything we were able to pick up today. Let's go. First thing I want to point out is my Tiger Woods. Yes, I know you see him there. Tiger Woods. This is a common pop, guys. Nothing super special, but I felt like I had to pick it up, had to add it to my sports collection because you don't see golf pops that often, and you don't see Tiger Woods that often. I don't see him just sitting on shelves. So I felt like it was a really good pickup for the collection, and yeah, we went ahead and got it. I think I got it for 11 bucks. They gave me Tiger Woods for 11 bucks, so that was actually close to retail. Really dope. Really dope. Let's run through that one more time. Really dope. Really dope. The next pop we're gonna jump into is one that completed the set for me. It is the Tron. If you guys didn't see my video at Cartels and Collectibles, we were able to pick up the blue Tron, or the Tron. Now we have the Sark. So, and they actually had the glow chase of this. I might go get it, but it said the glow chase PPG was only like 19 bucks and they wanted 40. So I decided to pass on that. I got this one for 11 bucks as well, or $12 on this one, I think it was. But I just didn't see a point in getting that glow chase, especially when they're trying to basically double the PPG on me. I didn't see a use in doing that, guys. But I did have to pick it up to complete the set. And if you guys aren't familiar with the set, that's what the set looks like. So like I said, we already have the Tron. Now we have the Sark to complete the set. So that was an awesome pickup. That was an awesome pickup for today, guys. Really happy about that one. The next pop is, as you guys know, if you did not know, I lived in Anaheim for a good while, right across the street from Angels Stadium. Caught plenty of Angels games, excuse me, guys. Caught plenty of Shohei Ohtani home runs. Caught plenty just immaculate Angel games. But guess what? I was there for a lot of our losing games too, guys. So, but we're not going to get into that. We're going to just jump into the Shohei Ohtani right now. This is an awesome pop, guys. He is an awesome player for the Angels. Now, if you guys are familiar with Shohei, I believe he does want to trade right now, so we'll see if he ends up somewhere else. But right now, he looks amazing in that Angels uniform. So I felt like that was a must-have. And I also picked him up for $12. So everything was close to retail. Everything was close to retail, guys, which is really dope. Really, really dope. And then this last pop, the last pop we picked up today, kind of my favorite. It's an Andrew Luck from the Colts. Now, guys, if you don't know, I'm a Colts fan. I don't know what your team is, but them, okay? Yeah. But this is an Andrew Luck right here, guys. I had to pick it up. I'm a huge Colts fan. I actually have an Andrew Luck jersey. And you don't see too many Colts pops that often. I know they came out with a Jonathan Taylor, I believe. But I don't see too many Colts pops that often, especially being a real fan of the Colts. So I had to pick up Andrew Luck today. Andrew Luck was 20, but he came with the pop protector, which was awesome. Absolutely awesome. So, with that being said, I just want to make sure I show everything off to you guys. Those were our pickups for Frank Sons Collectibles. It was an awesome time. We will definitely be back. We will definitely be back to get more footage, spend more money, and connect with more booth owners, because it was really awesome time. I want you guys to really check this video out, or if you already seen all the booth owners we got to talk to, you know. I think it was a really awesome time, guys, and I definitely will be back. So thank you to Frank Sons Collectible Show. And always, guys, like always, thank you for tuning into the video. Thank you for watching with the PopHouse. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And bang out on that notification bell, please, because it all helps. It all helps the channel. And I would also like to thank you guys for just tuning in. It's always appreciated. Make sure to stay tuned for the next video. And thank you for hunting with the PopHouse.